Hey guys, happy Friday. Welcome back to my channel. Um, I have another unboxing for you guys, and I hope you enjoy it because this is going to probably be the last unboxing that I'm going to do for a while. I told, I told my significant other, my husband, that I was thinking about going on a no-buy. We'll see how long that lasts, as far as handbags. So anyway, let's get to it. I just got this today. UPS just dropped it off at my work. Um, so I saw these on the I Love Dooney website. They were on a great sale. Um, and I have been wanting this for a while. I was just waiting for the sale. They only had two colors left. So you guys who shop I Love Dooney probably saw this. Only two colors, and I ordered both because I really like it. So I'm hoping I like it as much as I did when I saw it online. So anyway, right there. Let's see here. So these are the double pocket. Let's see, the first one's in taupe. Let's get the taupe out. So I had a feeling that they were going to kind of come folded up like this. So I said I wasn't going to be like terribly upset because I could tell by the way they were made that they were going to come that way. So this is the packaging and everything. Yeah. I'm really wondering what this piece of paper is for. I had it figured out, but I thought maybe I don't have it figured out. 50 of 150. I wonder why that matters to us. I really wonder why it matters what number it is. Oh, so I am glad I ordered this. Take a look, you guys. Oh my gosh. Oof. That is a beautiful taupe color. Oh, it's got the little pink cotton lining. I don't know why, but my stomach just got like a nostalgic feeling in it. I don't know. It just reminded me of something a very nice memory. And I don't know what that memory is, but it brought back a very nice memory. Maybe it reminds me of my first Dunionberg. But my first Dunionberg was a flap. It was a flap. I forgot what it was called, but I loved that bag. I carried it everywhere. I carried it on a vacation in Louisiana. My first trip as an adult to Louisiana. I carried it as it was not made to be a crossbody, but I carried it like one because it got kind of heavy. But I wore the heck out of that thing. Double pocket satchel and tote. Um, and I think instantly that's what that reminded me of. Of course, this has the metal little. I'm so happy to have this. The little metal duck. Uh, says what was showing us some of her old school bags, and this one of these ducks was on there. I believe it was similar to this, except for unless it was a turtle one. I'm not sure, but oh, I fell in love with that bag when I saw it. So um, I'm going to take everything off this one and probably off the other one too. Yeah. So let me see. Take my time with this. I'm on lunch, so that's why I'm in the back of my car doing this. I will have to do a what fits. So these came with the dust bag. My Greta hobos did not. Uh, Honestly, it doesn't matter to me if they come with one or not because I have so many Dooney and Burke blue dust bags that I don't use. So, but for those of us who like that, it's nice when they do come with one. Has a thin strap on there. This is so nice. So the zip pocket over there, and then a big loose pocket there. That is so pretty. I hope you guys can see that good. And then the divider pocket. This would definitely make a great pebbled leather everyday bag. Divider pocket. Yeah, I'd like that. And then it has the little leather, if y'all can see it here. Yeah, this is nice. I like it. I love these rolled handles. Oops. Let's see how. Oh, I got that all tangled up. That's a nice little rolled handles. Oh, that's a nice medium-sized bag. It's going to look great when it gets stuffed. Deeply pebbled. That is so, so pretty. I can say, yeah, this is. Let's see how these zip. It's kind of rough. Kind of rough a little bit. Let's see how this zips across. Why can I not get this in here correctly? Goodness. That's nice, you guys. That's a nice bag. If the sale's still going on, if you're looking for a nice satchel that you can put a little strap, shoulder strap on with, I do recommend this. This is so pretty. It's got some weight on it, so. All right, so let me take a look at this other one. Wow, that is so nice. I can't wait to do a what fits. Because it's not super deep, but let's stuff all that in there, including that beautiful paper that messes up the Florentine satchel. Put this on the floor down here. And then, oof. So this next one is denim. Oh, excuse me. No, wrong. Jeans. Jeans. I have been wanting a jeans satchel for a long minute. This one is 59 out of 200. Just got a little fold there. That's how they come. So I'll have to stuff that nicely. Scissors. That undone. Nice smooth zipper. Same. Oh, that's so pretty. I really like that lining. I really like that lining. I just thought about it. I can do a quick what fits. Because I have my Barlow sitting here. So I'm carrying my charcoal wristlet wallet right now. This is not a very deep bag, as you can see. And I also have my makeup pouch. So let's see how that fits in there. My sunshades, my little cuties. I like this Timu pouch because it's so thin. It's not going to last very long, but as long as it lasts, I'm going to wear it because it's really, really lightweight. So let's put that there. My tech case. Deep in there on the side. I have some high sodium noodles. No, I thought that light would help, but not. What else? I won't put my keys in there because that's a given. Oh, lotion. Let's put the lotion in that other pocket. What else? Hand sanitizer. The hand sanitizer can actually go next to the shades there. You guys, excuse the lighting. I'm just trying to do a quick what fits. My prescription glasses. Let's take the lotion out of there. Put those in there. And then let's see here. We will put the lotion in the little zip. So this pocket on this, where I put the lotion, is pink. Look at that, you guys. Can you see? Hold on. That is a pink zipper. That is so cute. So cute. Oh my gosh. So all of that that was in my Barlow fit in there. Yeah. So now it's almost fully stuffed. It has plenty of room. It's very heavy right now. I don't know. I'll probably wear my pink Continental clutch in the small signature by Dooney & Burke to go with this, just because of the inside of that. So yeah, so if you guys can see, it fits all your essentials plus. Not very deep. I don't think I can do so. Yeah, so the Barlow has a little bit more room because these pockets, they sit up high, so they don't take away any of the space on the inside. But anyway, so yeah, that has a little something on it from packaging, but that is so cute. Keys could go in the front of there if I wanted to. So cute. I really like that. So there they are. Oh, I really like both of these. I'm so glad I purchased them. They were at $109, and then I had a $20 something or another. So yeah, it's nice when they send those. I would definitely have to fill this all the way up to get that out of there. All right, you guys, that is the end of my unboxing. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to switch back into my Barlow. I'll see you guys later. I hope you all have a great Labor Day weekend. I may put some stuff up, some shorts. I've been doing some crazy shorts. So I usually don't listen to rap music or anything, but some of them are like the crazy lyrics too. because I do know some of the songs. So hopefully you guys don't get offended by some of the rap songs that I put on my short videos. Anyway, and you guys check out my community posts. I've been putting some things on there. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. And please leave a nice comment. You guys check this out. Check it out. See if it's still on the site. And I will talk to you guys later. Have a great Labor Day weekend. Bye bye.